Hello everyone. So in today's video, we'll complete the pre-work for flow fundamental Superbadge unit. So just scroll down and after that click on this developer edition org. After clicking, we'll be landing here. Give the first name, then the last name. After that, give a working email ID. You will get an email here. Give a working email ID. After that, click a role as developer and company. You can give your college name. I'm giving NA. Now select a country. I'll select India, and after that select a postal, and now select a username. It should be in the email ID format. Okay, company.com I'll give. Then after that click on this checkbox and click on sign here. Now we'll wait for 10 to 20 minutes. You will get an email. So after waiting 10 minutes, I got this email from @salesforce.com. Now we'll click on this verify account. After clicking verify account, we'll click on this reset password. Guys, if you like my content, please do like and subscribe to my channel, guys. Now we'll click on OK. Now we'll give a new password. We'll confirm it. Okay. Now we'll give a security question. Now we'll click on change password. After clicking change password, we will be landing here. You just come to the email and copy this username, and after that come to the place from where we have started our this pre-work and scroll down, and now click on the dot which are here in the left side of launch and click on connect org. After clicking connect org, now paste what we have copied, which is our username, and type the password, and after that click on login. Now click on OK. Now click on allow. Now click on yes, save it. Now scroll down and you should see your username which you have given will be shown here. Now in the next video we'll complete the challenges. Thank you for watching, guys.